We came down to this event from Springfield, Massachusetts, about a 4-hour drive. I competed in the nail competition, had a blast. It's been absolutely a good time here. Great food, great people, great vendors. Just overall, good connections, everything.
Coming to events like this, they do singularly, no one else does an event quite like this one. The energy is just a great show with the nailer competition and with the other vendors here. It's just been a great day.